Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us keep making these videos for you. Looks like today we're doing number 286. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any more help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 or a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 7, 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 7. For this box, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.